tubes. This is one I got for free. I saw it posted. I was able to get over there. She said this hadn't worked, and it reeks of bad ethanol. Just going through it. It's missing the air filter and the cover. I think I have an air filter for it, but I don't have the cover. I need to wash. And so here's something interesting. I went to go pull the cord just to to see if it was locked up. Hear that? Is it a bad rod? I don't. It's not. But what else do you think it could be? Tubes. Let's take a look. Whoa. I just turned it over and it fuel. Turned it over the wrong way. That's a little odd. It shouldn't do that. Anyway. Just turn it over this way. Look at this blade. How loose it is. That's not a Craftsman blade. So, wrong blade, possibly. Looks like it's been replaced. Now I gotta go clean up this mess. Later, tubes. Now that I've got the fuel kind of drying up now, I found this is a used air filter I had that does seem to fit. It's for this. It does fit it. I just don't have the cover. I'll have to buy one of those or find one somewhere. It needs just going through it. It needs a power wash before I even touch it. I need to drain all the gas out because I'm not going to be able to get to this for quite a while. Later, tubes.